and welcome back to Littles by Lira. Who's ready to make a beautiful sunflower mini wreath today? I am. Hey, you remember a few videos back where we made that treasure chest and we used the foam curlers? Well, I hope you held on to them, especially that metal insert, because we're going to use that to make the wreath today. As you can see here, it's got a hook on either side, which will make it great because we're going to begin by hooking the ends together. And then slowly but surely, we're going to work the wreath until it's in a circular shape, as best as circular as you can get it. Obviously, mine's not a perfect circle, but I tried. When that's done, I took the Rustoleum 2x gold metallic spray paint and gave it a nice quick coat. When that was dry, I grabbed some Dollar Tree foliage and Dollar Tree sunflowers, the mini ones, and now I'm going to make a wreath. I started by pulling a couple sprigs off of the main bush of the foliage, and then the way they're set up on the sprig, it's 2 leaves, and then there's a little plastic piece to attach 2 more, etc. You get the gist. What I did was, for all the 2 leaves, I just cut those off of the sprig and then cut the little plastic stick in between away. So I'm just left with the leaves. Taking some hot glue, I just go ahead and adhere the leaves in a pattern that's pleasing to my eye. I kind of did a zigzag pattern. You see here, I've got the first set of leaves kind of a little askew. Then I'm going to take the next set of leaves and I'm going to glue the leaves to one of the leaves and to the wire frame. So when all is said and done, it becomes a zigzag pattern. Then when I'm finished with that, I'll go back through and fill in, as I said, until it's pleasing to the eye. As always, if you hear any sniffling or I sound breathless, it's because every day is allergy day for me. And I'm on super duper Claritin and it's just not working. This is the best I got, guys. So if you hear sniffles, I apologize. Once all the leaves are adhered to the wire frame, I flipped it over and I'm running a bead of hot glue down either side of the wire. This is going to ensure that my leaves stick to the wire frame and hopefully don't pop off. If you want to make this a super duper forever hold, I suggest E6000 or the Dollar Tree's Fix All adhesive. And this is what it looks like with just the leaves. Now I'm going to take those beautiful little mini sunflowers. They're so nice. They've got the little brown inside and it's velvet. The leaves or blossoms, what do you call petals? That's the word. Petals of the sunflower are a nice thick paper. They're really nice quality and you get quite a few for $1. Good job, Dollar Tree. As you see here, they're attached to a little wire stem. I just cut that off and then I glued the wire piece down so that it wouldn't be, poking me or anything. And I did this for all 3 of the sunflowers. I'll tell you what, after last week making that fairy door, I had to make a wreath to go on. I just had to. So here I just grabbed 2 more. Apparently, the eye is drawn to odd numbers, so 3 sunflowers seem to make sense because 3 not only is an odd number, my husband informs me on the regular that it's the magic number, so 3 it is. Once I have all those little wire stems cut off, like I said, I'm just going to go through with the hot glue and secure that wire stem to the back of the paper of the sunflowers. And for whatever reason, I guess I'm going to have you guys watch me do that for all 3. I'm very sorry about that, but it is what it is. So while I am playing with that, how's your day? Anything new, exciting, or different happen? For me, not really. I'm really enjoying making the videos for you guys. I'm getting better at talking to myself, so hey, there's that. It helps to see, some movement in the comments. It lets me know, hey, I'm not talking just to myself. I got other people out there. So, hi, other people. If there is something you would like to see me work on for you guys, let me know. I'll be happy to oblige. Okay, so once the hot glue has cured on the back of all my little sunflowers, I am going to take a small amount of hot glue and begin placing the sunflowers in a row going up the leaves. The hot glue attaches super well to the back of the sunflowers and shockingly to the foliage as well. So, hey, bonus, this is a quick and easy little craft project. Now, all you need to do, Dollar Tree, is get some super tiny little ladybugs or bumblebees, because I think that would be really cute. Maybe I should start figuring that out. Is it too late for bumblebees, guys? I'm pretty sure it's too late for ladybugs, but bumblebees, according to Google, you can, you're not really supposed to harvest honey until September, so I'm thinking maybe bees are a thing until then. That was what I was talking about with hopefully the leaves not falling off of the wire frame. But super easy fix. A little more hot glue and just slide that puppy back in there. Press everything down till you're sure that it's nice and adhered. And if you need a few more leaves to round it out, now is a great time to do it. The sunflowers were a little bit larger than I'd anticipated, so I just need to fluff up my wreath, make it more full, make it fuller. Whatever way you like that I said, pick that one and say that's what I said. Good. Now we'll all be smart together. But as you can see here, once I got those leaves on there, I just flipped it over and take in a few more leaves. I'm gonna put more leaves on there. Skip ahead a little bit and voila, there we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab some Dollar Tree gingham check ribbon in black and white. Guys, can I just tell you, the struggle was absolutely real on this bow. I am not, by any stretch of the imagination, a bow maker. I can barely tie my shoes. Okay, that's a little hyperbolic, but you get my meaning. So I've seen a few tutorials on how to make this figure 8 bow. I think it's also called awareness ribbon bow. You start by making the ribbon into the shape of, an awareness ribbon. And then take a piece of wire and cinch the loop part down so that it's with the little tails of the bow, and then twist it. Sounds easy, right? Apparently, I am not super dexterous with my fingers. So, as I said, this struggle was totally real. But ultimately, I think I got a really nice little bow when all was said and done. So you see here, I'm just playing with it, making sure that my loops are even, and I'm gonna dovetail the ends of the ribbon. I do like this, but maybe not this particular ribbon, the bow, but maybe not on this small of a scale. I think I saw something about a fork ribbon bow. I'm gonna try that and let you guys know how that works. Hey, I might have just found my latest and greatest new thing. That, of course, I will give props to whoever taught me how to do it and direct you to their site or page or channel, depending on where I find out how to do it. Eventually, I'll find one that works for me. Because, with it this small, the shoestring bow wasn't going to work. So here we go. Take in some hot glue, and I'm just going to adhere this really cute little black and white chuck bow down to the bottom of my sunflowers. I think the black and white chuck looks really good with sunflowers. I like blue and white chuck too, but is that too spring as opposed to a fall wreath? Let me know what you think down in the comments. Yeah, I'm really bugging you guys to let me know down in the comments today. I guess I'm lonely and just need somebody to talk to. But here I'm deciding, do I want to put it at the top or at the bottom? Of course, the bottom wins. So, more hot glue. And here we go. So what do you think? I'm sure my mom, when she watches this video, is gonna like it because sunflowers are her favorite. But what do you guys think? I think it's adorable, personally. So there you have it. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.